guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place an overlay behind a person on Capcut PC. So let's use let's say this video. So we are going to right click copy, right click paste. Then we are going to select this video and we are going to select cutout, and we're going to select auto cutout for that one. Sorry. And we are going to add in an overlay. For instance, I'm trying to find one where I can kind of like hide it. I'm just going to use this one as an example. Add it on top of the video like so, and kind of like move it. Then you can go to basic and you can make it an overlay, or like maybe I'm just going to choose this one instead actually, so you guys can see it a little bit better hopefully, and choose like an overlay for like the screen one, but it's like not too harsh, so you guys can still see the background, but then the person is still on top of the overlay. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!